Welcome back to Life After 40. If you're searching for a simple yet highly effective way to boost your energy and strength, especially before bedtime, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a special drink that's been making waves for its incredible benefits. This recipe is not only easy to prepare, but it also uses common household ingredients, making it convenient for everyone. This drink is designed to give you a sustained energy boost while helping you feel revitalized and refreshed throughout the night. So, stick with me as I guide you through each step. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing wellness tips. Ingredients you'll need. Before we start preparing the drink, let's go over the ingredients. Each of these components is chosen for its specific health benefits, ensuring you get the maximum effect. 1. Coffee, 1 spoonful. This key ingredient is known for its ability to boost alertness and enhance mental clarity. A small amount of coffee can provide just the right amount of stimulation, making it a crucial part of this recipe. 2. Lemon. Juice of half a lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, helping to support digestion, boost immunity, and detoxify the body. The citrusy tang adds a refreshing twist to the drink, making it even more enjoyable. 3. Honey. 1 spoonful. A natural sweetener packed with antibacterial and energy-boosting properties. Honey not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a steady release of energy, reducing fatigue and improving stamina. 4. Hot water. 1 cup. Hot water helps blend all the ingredients smoothly while making the drink soothing and comforting. The warmth of the beverage aids digestion and promotes relaxation, making it the perfect nighttime drink. Step-by-step preparation. Step 1. Prepare the coffee. Start by taking 1 spoonful of coffee and adding it to a mixing bowl or directly into your favorite cup. Coffee acts as a natural stimulant, enhancing focus and energy levels. Step 2. Add fresh lemon juice. Next, take a fresh lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 directly into the cup. The lemon juice not only balances the flavors, but also supports digestion and boosts metabolism. Step 3. Sweeten with honey. Now, add a spoonful of honey to the mixture. Honey helps to counterbalance the acidity of the lemon and bitterness of the coffee while providing essential nutrients and natural sugars for sustained energy. Step 4. Mix thoroughly. Stir everything well until the coffee, lemon juice, and honey are perfectly blended. Proper mixing ensures that all the flavors come together harmoniously, creating a smooth and delicious drink. Step 5. Add hot water. Pour a cup of hot water into the mixture. The heat helps dissolve all the ingredients, making the drink warm and soothing while enhancing its health benefits. Step 6. Final stir and serve. Give the drink 1 final stir to ensure even mixing. At this point, your beverage is ready to be enjoyed. How and when to drink it. For the best results, drink this 30 minutes before bed. This allows the natural ingredients to take full effect, helping you feel revitalized and strong throughout the night. Make it a habit. Drink this consistently for 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll notice the positive effects on your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. Health benefits of this drink. 1. Boosts energy naturally. The combination of coffee and honey provides a sustained and natural energy boost, helping you stay active and alert without the jitters. 2. Supports digestion and detoxification. Lemon juice aids digestion and helps cleanse the body of toxins, making it great for overall gut health. 3. Enhances strength and stamina. The natural sugars in honey, combined with the stimulating properties of coffee, work together to improve endurance and physical strength. 4. Promotes relaxation and well-being. Despite containing coffee, this warm drink helps you feel calm and balanced, thanks to the soothing effects of honey and lemon. Pro tips for the best results: use fresh ingredients. Freshly squeezed lemon juice and high-quality coffee will make a noticeable difference. Adjust the sweetness. If you prefer a sweeter taste, feel free to add a little more honey. Stay consistent. Drinking this nightly for a few weeks will give you the best results. Don't forget to engage. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it useful, please hit the like button and share this video with friends and family. Your engagement helps us continue bringing valuable content to you. Are you new to Life After 40? Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We share amazing health tips, life hacks, and easy recipes designed to enhance your lifestyle after 40. Have you tried this drink? Let us know in the comments below how it worked for you. Your feedback is incredibly valuable, and we'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you for watching.